All right, well, while they're thinking about that...
And a tidbit. I want to know a tidbit.
I still got something.
A fun fact.
Funny facts. How about this? Let's look at this.
Show me something. Show me what you've got.
I've got this 1 to 350 scale, New Jersey.
That's good because the 1 to 400 version of this kit is too small.
It's a little bit small, isn't it?
1 to 350, exactly
That's right.
what you want.
Now, 350 would be the standard, I would say. There's a lot of choice in 350 scale for ships.
Ships.
And Tamiya do make quite a few 350 scale ships, which are really popular, but they don't have a huge variety, but they do have a New Jersey. Now, this particular brand is quite a new brand. It's Very Fire.
Very Fire.
It must be like really hot. So this is great for those.
Is it really called Very Fire?
It is. What?
I don't know. I'm a bit taken back that they called it Very Fire.
It is called Very Fire. Now, this is for more of the enthusiast type builder.
Oof.
Because the Tamiya one's great value. Tamiya ones are just over $100 or so, and they're a great build. But they've been around for a long time, and they don't have the crispest detail anymore. And a lot of people would be spending a lot of money doing photo etch and stuff. This comes with all the photo etch in it.
No.
And it's a brand new tooling, so it is really
sharp. Looks like it's got full detailed turrets.
It does, doesn't it? Because if we look over here,
it looks to me like it's got full detailed turrets, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I love a full detailed turret.
Don't you?
I wouldn't have my turret any other way.
So there you go, New Jersey.
And
New Jerseys were used into the modern age as well. So I was checking that before. You can see here it's got one of those float planes. So it's World War II era. Because it would have updated all these little guns. See how they got heaps of little anti-aircraft guns? The modern one was updated to have missiles, and then also what they call a Sea Whiz thing, which is a Gatling gun.
I've had a Sea Whiz.
Have you?
I had one just before.
Oh.
Every time I go to the beach.
Here we go. There's a hull. There's your really thick manual.
Thicker manual.
And as we do this, you will see there's some photo etch. You've got some photo etch railings all included, and that's really fine.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
So there we go. So that's a big hull, isn't it? Decent size, full hull.
It's thicker than an Easter egg.
It is pretty thick.
It's a chunk of munker.
It's important that these big ones are thick because you don't want them to deform even after you finish building it. But sometimes that can happen.
Can it?
Yep. And then under here.
What's under there, Beach?
All the good bits. Look at that.
You chose the easiest thing to unbox.
So these are the turrets you were talking about with all the different floors. How good is it?
I think it's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Pretty fresh.
I think you should enter it next year's Model Expo.
Enter it like this?
Oh, no, try and build it.
I'm going to enter a 1-to-1 scale plastic model kit.
Oh?
That'll be in the miscellaneous category, and I don't think it'll get very far.
I'm gonna do something. I'm going to do an art piece next year.
An art piece?
Yeah.
How arty is it going to be?
Very arty.
Very arty.
Gonna be
not just a little bit arty.
It's going to be made not from the model. It's going to be abstract. It's going to be not made from the model. It's going to be made from the sprues.
Oh, you can do a sprue model?
Yes.
A sprue sculpture?
Yes.
Oh, you're crazy. Do you need some sprue? Because I've probably got a heap of sprue.
Have you?
Yeah. Do you want some? I think there's a lot of people that will probably have heaps of sprue. There you go. I'll slide in there. Is this going to be a bit of a trick?
I'm not sure.
Oh, that'll do. There we go. Okay, Very Fire. So they do quite a lot of ships. They are a ship specialist.
Have you ever built a Very Fire kit before?
No, I haven't. They're really new. Like, they're only been around within the last couple of years.
Really?
Yeah.
And they specialise in ships?
Specialise in ships. There you go. Beautiful.
Fire.
And fire.
Yeah.
They specialise in so much, it's very.
Very much so.
There we go.
That's a New Jersey.
Yes. And with that, we've actually restocked on a lot of ships. So we've got the little 700 scale ones too that we always sell out of.
Do they come with waterlines?
Most of them do.
Yeah.
And then some of them, you do get some Fujimi ones which are full hull like this. Because
Full
some
hull.
people like to see the hull.
But then it needs a stand.
Yes. And then you got to make a stand.
Mm.
All right, that's Very Fire.